Welcome to a tragic Saturday morning. As we all know that weekends are always for experiment. I'm doing the same. I actually want to try my new recipe that I have collected throughout the week. Actually, I saw this old video and I collect the best ingredients of the same recipe and combine that together and make one recipe. And I try it at weekends, morning especially. I'm also love in baking, so I always try to watch some baking and try it at home that how it turns. As you can see my glove problem, yes, that I have the same problem, but I don't want to waste them because I have to use that. I have them at home and many times I take off them because it makes a little bit disturbance while I'm touching the dough and just patting them. So I put my gloves, so otherwise when I just trying to make design of that, I just take off them. So I make two rod is a traditional name, and I check over here how it turns, and I let the other cookies as well over 15 minutes to cook. And it is a little bit more disturbance because I'm doing myself the video. I'm trying to do with my one hand the ingredients, the checking this out. You can see how I cut that. That is really so delicious. The things come out so delicious, and the best when all of you, especially your family, your mom, sit together and enjoy it. And it really gives